fucking her friend cause she cute. Break it back and she get in the boot. Lil' shorty, I'm chasing the paper. Ain't no time for waiting like Nike, I do it. They copy influence. Bitch, I'm Milwaukee, I'm chasing the bucks. Techers on split, yeah, it sound like a drum. 30s on 30s, it's harder to run. Post, I got spray, I'm a bitch.
Hey, before this banger video starts, y'all, I want y'all to check out the second channel, subscribe, turn the post notifications on, y'all.
Hey, excuse me.
Yeah.
You know the login for the computer?
It's just like your like password and username.
Okay.
So if you, yeah, I'll help you.
Thank you. Oh, you nice.
So if you have your username.
Oh yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
How you do it again?
It's like Control-Alt-Delete. So this.
Thank you. Log out one. Damn, nah, that's me. That's what me. Pardon me, my fault. Hey, excuse me. How do I unlock the computer?
Wait, normally it's 3 hours.
Control-Alt.
Normally it's 5:45.
Thank you.
2 hours and 5 seconds.
Snap. Oh, snap. Damn. Me, just walk. Excuse me, you got a pencil?
Pencil?
Yeah.
You know Chandy?
Nah, it's cool, it's cool. Never mind. Never mind, I'll just do something else.
We just have one pen.
Nah, it's cool, it's fine. I'll just do it online. Shh.
要不要换个便宜的？真的？
Yeah, what the fuck? Yeah, that's my fault. That's me. That's my bad. Oh my god. It's fucking.
Your headphones aren't connected.
Huh?
You can hear the audio.
Oh. Thank you. I hope you got that.
Are we filming people down there?
No hablo English.
Oh, nah.
Because we've gotten several complaints.
Oh, nah.
So you really can't be doing that in the library.
Oh, nah, I ain't recording, Mom.
Okay, so please do not record in here or we'll have to get disqualified.
No, it's not me. You gotta focus on somebody who opened
Somebody
the
else
door.
with a camera? With a white shirt and sandals?
Yeah.
Same up here? All right.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
You too.
Oh, okay. Somebody opened the door over there. I don't know if you hear the buzzing. All right, Karen. Appreciate you. Yeah, it was a little prank. You mind if I use that clip though?
I don't care.
You got an Instagram? Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah, me. Did it.
Is there a certain reason why you recorded me or taking pictures?
You people complained about you, so we have to write up an incident report.
So you took a picture of me?
Yeah, so that we can recognize if you come in here again and film. We already told you one time.
I just told you I wasn't filming now.
That contradicts a bunch of students who came up to talk. Why'd they all get together and be like, oh, that guy was filming it? Well, you weren't, but your friend was.
But you took a picture of me.
I took a picture of all three.
What are you talking about? What three? There wasn't even three of us.
Okay.
All right,
If I was to record you right now and take a picture of you too.
well, see, we're in the library still.
No, we're not in the library.
Yeah,
we're
this is
outside.
still part of the library.
So outside.
And actually, there you're in the MU, which is also not allowed to film there. So
What happened?
You shouldn't be filming out in the MU area, which is right there.
Is that the library?
No, but they have their own people that will try to.
Yeah, but like you took a
The
picture of me
idea
outside
is-
of the library.
Students come to these places to do like educational
Kristen?
things. Yeah, and
And Jacob.
so they don't want to be interrupted.
Okay.
So especially the ones who are working on the computers, they claimed that you three were, or some of you, were interrupting them and bothering them, asking them questions, and making them feel uncomfortable and interrupting their work.
Oh no, you see, I never asked anybody a question.
One of your group was.
Nobody asked anybody questions. We had no interaction. with
So
them.
all these students also lied. We had multiple people.
We had
tell
no
us this.
interaction with nobody else in there.
Okay.
So your people complained. Okay. Are you a
No.
student on campus?
Yes, I am.
Could I see your ID? So you're not a student on campus?
I am.
Okay, campus policy is that you're in our library and we're an official representative of the library. You're supposed to show us your ID.
I'm not in the library.
Currently, yes, you are.
And I had to
But you
use
were
my
in
ID to
there.
get inside of the library.
Right, so that's why I'm saying. Do you have your ID on you?
No, I don't. I don't need to go back in the library right now.
Okay.
Yeah. You have a nice day. Like I said before, and you ain't respond.
Okay, so if you're also not a student,
I said I was a student.
okay, then you know you shouldn't be doing that in the library, and that's
I didn't
also
do anything illegal.
Filming in the library comes under the code
I was
of
never
conduct.
filming in the library with any interaction.
Okay,
All right.
we still need to write it up as a report since several
Now,
students.
you sure? Or have a nice day.
Okay, you too.
But it's 38, my slide is slicing that boy to the pearly gates. Bro, don't be boxing, but that boy a heavyweight. Jersey to Maryland, steppers in every state. Let me educate, bitch, y'all niggas can't move around. How we move around, bitch, I'm militant down to the roots. I got choppers that blick that'll change the whole attitude. Color, you gon' clap it cool. I can't hit on no niggas now. You on war, I'm applying, we pushing and pushing.